Faith, welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast Dance and Class. I'm your nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi the Entertain. Arvaying, let's go out. So, guys, before we go out, something I need to share with you. Mohlago got sold. Mohlago got sold 2 days ago. I sold Mohlago. Someone came here. They had money. They wanted the car. And I gave them. So, yeah. The car is now gone. So, I'm faced with two situations here. I'm faced with two situations. So these situations are like this. I have money. I sold the car, so I have money. So I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. I'm having money. Actually, I need to put this phone down. I'll show you. I have tricks. This phone will sit. Yeah, I'm having money. Don't be fooled. I'm loaded, Baba. So, while I'm this loaded, I don't know what to do. I have money, and I have two projects to finish here. There's Mac, and there's Kushela, and I'm having money. Which car should this money be put on? This money should be put on one car. Either like Kushela, the BMW, or Mac, the VR6. One of the two. I feel like if I start with Mac, the VR6, right? If I start with Mac, the VR6, I still have enough money to go work on Kushela, because Mac doesn't need a lot of things as we speak. Mac doesn't need a lot of things anymore. Mac is basically done. So, should I start with Mac, or should I go straight to Kushela? I'm rich, man. Rich people don't sugar. I have a lot of money. People with a lot of money don't need sugar. So, what should I do, guys? I was about to go out, and then I decided that, you know what, before I go out, let me talk to these people. And I currently don't have a moving car. I'm busy strolling. Like, I am busy strolling. If anyone asks me what's my specialty, at this point, I'll tell them strolling. Strolling, taking a stroll around. That's my specialty. So what should I do? Will 60K be enough for Kushela? 70K to finish it up? I doubt it will finish it. People who don't build cars, who don't have information about building cars, they will say 70K will finish Kushela. Well, they are right with the way they build cars. It will finish with the way they build cars, but the way I build cars, 70K will not finish Kushela. So if I spend like 15K on Mac and 70K on Kushela, how would that be? I'm telling you now, 70K will not finish Kushela. I'm telling you now. Or should I take the money, Gwali sell the money, and get something like a... But at the same time, I want to finish my project. Okay, with the BMW, I don't want to have jobs, have done jobs. What do I mean about that? I don't want to spend, and then I find that the money is now finished and the car is not finished. When I touch the BMW, I need to start to finish. I need to start to finish. Not start and then wait again. This waiting thing now, it's... You lose the love you have for the build. I don't think I'm as excited as I was for Mac. With the time that I took, I'm not as excited as I was in the beginning. So while you still have the energy, start something that you can finish quickly. That's one thing I can tell you. Aspiring car builders, once you still have the energy, start something you will finish as soon as you can think. Because if you don't finish, you're going to continue next time, you're going to continue next time, you're going to keep continuing, and in the end, you won't have the same love and motivation which you had initially when you started the project. So I want to make sure I have enough money the day I start looking at the BMW. So can we please cancel out? Should we cancel it out? Oh, guys, at the same time, I want to start working on it bit by bit. Bit by bit is, I finished working on the car's exterior than the interior. I start with the exterior, because if the car starts, get gone out, you'll never touch it again. It's driving. What more do you want? Like, what more would you want? If the car is driving, you are happy. Don't want anything to do with whatever that's remaining. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here asking for your advice, asking you to tell me what to do. Not tell me, but assist me. If I don't take your ideas, it's still okay. I was asking for assistance, ideas, not telling you to dictate what I should do. But guys, all in all, unfortunately I couldn't record a video. It all happened too fast for either one of us to think of recording a video. But I had a nice time with Mutaw. It's one of the most loyal VR6 I ever had. Whoever built that car, if you built that station wagon's engine, you know your stuff. That car has been through everything. Drags, revving, long distance. Drags, revving, long distance. You can name it. It always took me home afterwards. And it took me home fast. I would do a nice 200, 180 on the N1, 200, 180, and it would be comfortable. Just be like, whoever built that engine, salute. I don't know you, I don't know where you are, but someone somewhere knows you in Durban. Somewhere someone knows you in Durban. And you should know you are the best. If a car can go through me and still leave me as healthy as it was, this car is unstoppable. I salute you. I salute you. Done all these races, was busy chowing everybody. Gave me a lot of wins. Love it. The list is endless of my wins with that car. I doubt any of my car will compete with. Yeah, guys, the question of the day is that here is money. Here are 2 projects. What do I do? Give me advice. Do I take this money, pour into Mac, pour into Kushela, or I pour into one, finish one, like to the core? Or do I finish, chow this money, enjoy? I still have 2 customers. Chow this money, enjoy. Or I just buy another project, something smaller, so I can have a daily run around car, a small car that I can have a run around with, because hey, these big engines, they end up making me walk more than I could drive. They're nice, but during those broke days, I'll be walking. So yeah. Guys, Mutaw is gone. The word of the day is that Mutaw is gone. If you somehow wanted it, you took time, you wasted time. If you somehow bump into it, just say beep beep. That's it. And yeah, man, help me. What should I do? Tell me what to do. Assist me. I cannot always be right. Oh, my dad is coming. Let me go out to V and Sons and see what's gonna happen during the day. Sharp. Hey! Jump start agacha silema. Yeah. It's a Subaru. Wala jama burumvan. Yeah, but maburu ba yap ay. Kani ana ni mafaster ko le. La bona jwale nna ke sana go le yo gona o dia. La bona jwale le dieng. Ene nna ke sa gona o dia. Mutaw kwatile mpia ga onche le dikavela. Le bo kwatile ba motha. Le bo gapo bo, le bo gonono ke thuntshana mabetha formal. Armakaje, ke bona lebo. What's the occasion, man? Especially ka di Sunday so morning. Ara ke tso finra le butsi. Ra ena flop. Oh, ba re ke forest gun. Ere ke bien. E ba GTA one. O gare ke band. Ke re madura ke dumile. Una ke bumile. Mpia ga nka o die.
Bombay. Akhalega si.
Aisha.
Weno sai kumar lui usai mi yamma ba. Na reza ma.
Are ba fit lebo. Are. Rakikate. Lelo.
Na kya start agir
Na ko raya kraka choki buku. Ano rayo?
Malama mar bijmi. Ner ish.
Agir le nel nyoko le bela match ban. Apa na ga rat ball. Na kwishi agi kwishi. Bo na mabani ko boni post time mayhem. That's fine. Hola. Ka bona post e lagar. Ka bona batho ba ntshi mun. Aga tlhapa. Bo re le amogela mo VR6. Re le amogela e bana. Le amogetse na. E mone ke amogela bona o sa amogele. Mo VR6. Ka gago. E mona wa motho. Isa ummona ne motho. Ya expire membership. Bo. Ke o sa log in ya ere. User not found. Kala o sa log in. Koleye e tshogile le yona. Okay, parking yao e kae mpontshe parking ya gago. E kae parking yao. Mo gone motho o phaka mo. Ke bopha ka block mo. Weta totoshi. Block ene ke block ele.
So you get it.
Ke kosha. Ke motho. Nambele ka mogodi. Mara monche at least ngwana wa batho ska tana please. Bo. U kotsi kudu ka di underground things. U kotsi kudu ka di underground things. A butse. O nya ka o le Durban o mo gopole. E di gone ke na fela. Ke o bona di tailije. Oh. Tao diela ba se ba ka di underground. Anyo lo no tshwarang. Salan dia jana je ka di gere. E mo rafile. E mona gone thotso go le letšatšing ya setefale mo.